And you remember, right now, I don't know if this is on or off, but right now there's no power to this electrical outlet. The reason why is because I still have to hook up this over here. I still have the breaker turned off, and the power goes down underneath the floor. I took that box out, put a cut-in box in, drilled a hole with a flexi bit down through there. I used this that long bit is called a flexi bit with an end on. If you haven't seen all those videos, you got to watch those. Drilled that down there, poked this wire down underneath the floor, put another box down there, and I've got the cord. Actually, this is not the one that goes over to there. There's another junction box down lower where I'm going to put an electrical outlet, and from there it goes over there. So I still have to hook that up, and I'm going to do that tomorrow. It's already dark outside. Look at that. It's all dark out there. And I'll keep that breaker off. I'll make this box up tomorrow. And you've got to watch that. I'll show you how to take all those wires and hook it back up to this electrical outlet, even though there's only 2 whites and 2 blacks on the back side of here. When I strip this, I'm going to have 3 grounds, 3 blacks, and 3 whites. How am I going to do that? Well, I'll show you that on another video. Okay, and then I'll make videos of all the stuff that I'm doing down underneath the floor, and I'll hook all that up so it'll all make sense to you when I get all done. But for the time being, see, I got this all done. I've got to re-vacuum this. I've had my helper. She's been helping me out. She's checking things out. Yeah, you're helping me, aren't you? Yeah, she's very inquisitive. And I'll vacuum all this stuff up out of here. That way Mommy will think that this is all nicely cleaned up. She can have her room back, and I'll just have all my tools and stuff set up for here, because I'm still working underneath the house and I'm still working here. But when I get that done, I'll have that all cleaned up. I assured her, yes, when I get all done, it's going to look like I was never here. And that's the goal every time I do a project, and hopefully that's yours too. Well, that's all I got for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.